हेलो हेलो।
सही है। हेलो सर। स्टार्ट कर दो। स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट है।
डन है। माइक ऑन है। माइक ऑन कर रखा है।
हाँ।
Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcoming you all once again on Yojna IAS. Hoping that you all are fine and doing well. Hello and very good morning, Puneet. God bless you. So today we are going to discuss about the biotechnology, that is one of the most important topics in UPSC. So फटाफट आ जाइए सभी लोग. Everybody come and join us. Today's topic is biotechnology. Biotechnology. First of all, we have to understand what is biotechnology. What is biotechnology? So, we can easily divide this term into two terms. One is bios and second is technology. Okay, bios and technology. Bios stand for all the livings. We are talking about the livings in the bio. And technology, what is technology? As I have discussed with you in the last class, that technologies are that which which is used to reduce the human power, to increase the production, to increase the quality and quantity of the products also, by using the basic principle static science, like principles of physics, chemistry and biology. So the biotechnology term is derived from the United Nations Convention on Biological United Nations Convention on biological biological diverse biological diversity. In this convention, they describe that what is biotechnology. So if we are talking about a simple, in a very simple language, then we can say that by using technologies, by using technologies to do the changes in livings in any product to improve quality changes in any product to improve quality by using livings or their derivatives. So as the United Nations Convention of Biological Diversity defines that any technological application that uses biological systems, living organisms, or derivatives thereof to make or modify products or processes for a specific use. Or we can say that by using technologies to do the changes in any product with the help of or by using livings or their derivatives, means we can also say that in the biotechnology we used to change the genetic characteristics of livings and their derivatives. What we do? To change in the genetic characteristics of any living, either it is a plant or any person. Now, as we know that the biotechnology is a new technology. It's a new technology, newly discovered, advanced, modern. But before the modern biotechnology, do we use it? Do we use it? Do we use biotechnology? So the answer is yes. We are using various components, various applications of biotechnology since thousands of years. How? Making curd, making insecticides, making of vinegar, making of seeds, or in the agriculture, in the households, we are using many kinds of applications of biotechnology since thousands of years. कब से यूज कर रहे हैं? हजारों वर्षों से हम यूज करते आ रहे हैं ancestors. Next thing. Now, but this is the static biology or conventional. But what is modern biotechnology? मॉडर्न बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में क्या है? मॉडर्न बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, इन द मॉडर्न बायोटेक्नोलॉजी we are using the genome editing, gene editing, genome sequencing, DNA modification, DNA editing, mitochondrial replacement therapy, etc. So why we are using these technologies, these modern technologies at present? Why we are using these technologies? Because nowadays at the present time number of diseases increasing, like HIV, AIDS, cancer, hemophilia, diabetes, heart related various issues, heart attack, cardiac arrest. These are the most dangerous diseases for human being. And there are also some diseases in plants also. In the plants, we are talking about the plants, we are using GM crops, genetically modified crops. We are using BT cotton, BT crops to prevent from the various insects or microbes, to prevent the crops from the microbes and the insects, and also the pesticides using. Now, so why are these modern biotechnology applications are using? To identify the causes of diseases, identify causes of various diseases, to treat the genetic disorders, and diseases by finding them, to find the cancer cells in our body, कैंसर सेल्स का पता लगाना, वेरियस डिजीजेस को फाइंड आउट करना. These are the major functioning of biotechnology. Okay. Now, next, what is next? when we are talking about when we study about any topic, any chapter in science and technology or any other subject, every time please use to make some mind maps which can help you for in quick revision. So I'm going to help you how to make mind maps. First of all, what is biotechnology? What is it? And why is it in news? What is biotechnology and why is it in news? So, what is biotechnology? So, any technological process in which one can edit, modify, or remove genetic characteristics to prevent from the diseases and also for increasing quality and quantity of products. Now, why is it in news? ये न्यूज में क्यों है? Why is it in news? So, the benefits of this technology can save the world from the hunger, from the malnutrition, use by using this technology can complete the technology can prevent from hunger on global level and also from the malnutrition. But some scientists are saying that it can be the future of green race. It can, by using GM crops, we can reach the goal to reduce the hunger rate, to reduce the malnutrition. But some of the people are also saying that saying about the cons of these biotechnology, GM crops, GM crops की बात करें तो they're saying that it may cause many health issues. It can be dangerous for crops and plants. It can be dangerous for crops and plants, and everyone, either it is the international level, in the parliament, on the shops of tea, everyone is talking about this. Everywhere have the conversation about this technology. Like one of the great person, Norman Borlaug, the novelist, who is known as the father of green revolution on the globally known as the father of green revolution. Once when he came to India in the March 2005, he gave a statement in supporting of GM crops, saying that it is better to die by eating GM crops instead of hunger. Norman Borlaug says that it is better to die by eating GM crops instead of dying by hunger. भूख से मरने से अच्छा है जीएम फसलों को खाकर मरा जाए. But now, so every new technology, every product have some pros and also some cons. So there are some pros and cons also in the biotechnology. It can complete the supply for food to all the people of the world. It can make differences. It can complete the nutrition in human body, all over the world, humans all over the world. But there are some cons. The causes maybe reflect after many years, 100 years, 200 years, 300 years. It depends on the ecological diversity. Ecosystem. It depends on our ecosystem. It cannot be affect immediately. It may take 100 years or 200 years or 300 years. To find it out, our life is very small, because if we are talking about the lifespan of human body is near about 70 to 72 as per the global reports. So how can we check the dangers of biotechnology? Cons. So now, uses of biotechnology. Uses of bio in agriculture. and agriculture. In the agriculture, using of by using GM crops in agriculture, we are using GM crops, we are using BT crops, we are using HT crops, we are using currently BT crops, ST crops, GM crops. And why we are using it? So first of all, to increase the production, first of all production, to prevent crops from drought and flood, to prevent crops from insects and microbes, to reduce the use of insecticides, pesticides, and chemical fertilizers. These are the major applications in agriculture. And also by this we are unable to by using GM crops, we can increase the income of farmers. Okay, so by using these technologies we can now. Next thing is use of CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9, or first of all, biotechnology in medical sector. Biotechnology in medical sector. So now you are thinking that how it can be used in medical sector, how can we use it, and what are the uses. So In the medical sector, first of all, to find the causes of diseases, causes of diseases and and prevent from the same. To find out various genetic diseases like hemophilia, hemophilia, diabetes, Patau syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. and prevent from these diseases. Okay, now how can we do this? So by using DNA editing, gene editing, genome editing and sequencing, etc. So these are some technologies by which, very good morning Manu, how are you? Next is, there is a project which is start in 2018, November 2018, named as Earth Genome Project. Earth Genome Project. It starts in 2018. What is the targets of this project? First of all, to conserve the environment by reducing, by finding pollutants, and decomposition of these. To find out new species and conserve them, to find out endangered species and conserve them, and also and last thing is to understand the biodiversity of earth, अर्थ की बायोडाइवर्सिटी को समझना, अंडरस्टैंड करना. These are the major functions or applications of biotechnology. Use of BT crops. The BT crops are mainly is produced to prevent from the various insects like pink bollworm, which affects the cotton crops. So first of all, to prevent from the various insects and crops. To reduce pollutants from the environment. To reduce the uses of insecticides, pesticides, and chemically made fertilizers. All of these insecticide, pesticides, chemically made or produced fertilizers are impacting on the environment. They increase the pollution in the environment. Next one is stem cell. by using stem cell therapy. First of all, what is stem cell? Fundamental cell which is responsible for making and development of all other cells by which a living is composed of. Okay, it can be of three types: embryo stem cell, adult stem cell, and artificially stem cell, which is produced in labs by providing it proper proteins, nutrients, and everything which they need. Now, by using these stem cells till now, more than by using stem cell we can treat more than 80 diseases like thalassemia, cancer, and genetic diseases. All diseases, blood related diseases can be treated with this. And also the organ transplantation, need of organ transplantation can be reduced by this process. We can create a artificial or same organ, same tissues, same cells. So there is no need to change to transplant any organ of any person. So by the stem cell, they are able to, these cells are able to generate self cells and also can change with respect to other special cells they can rapidly produce and develop, by which they are able to form tissues by tissue culture technique. And by this, when the tissues got made or developed, after that organs were developed, organ development. After that, organ system, development of organ system. ऑर्गन सिस्टम का भी यहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. सो बाय दीज थिंग्स लाइक in the past the umbilical cord or the placenta is known as the waste material. So everyone used to dump it, everyone is used to dump it. But now it is used to make various organs like kidneys, cardiac muscles, spleen, lungs, and also the liver. So, but there is also some cons. If this technology got in wrong hands, so they can impact the people. So every technology, everything have the pros as well as the cons too. So for today, I'm going to end this class, and we will meet in the next class and with the next a new chapter. I'm going to tell you how to prepare your notes, how to make your mind map, so that when you're going for the quick revision, it can be done in few minutes. So hoping that you all have understood, you all have clear all your doubts. If anyone have any kind of doubt, if anyone wants to ask something, then please go ahead and tell me, how can I help you? Manu, Puneet, how can I help you? Is there any issues? Is there any doubt which you want to ask? If you have, then go ahead. Okay then. See you in the next class. Till that time, keep enjoying, keep learning, keep studying. May God bless you with lots of success, happiness, and joy in your whole life. So, see you in the next class. Till that time, let's